Good morning, students. Today we will start a lesson of class 6 of computer, that is fundamental of computer. Basically we see computer everywhere, in the home, offices and in the schools. So let's start with learning with the basic fundamental of computers. What is computer? A computer is an electronic device which takes input from the user and then processes it and returns the required output data. Input and output data may contain numbers, words, pictures, videos, and audios. A computer processes data at a very high speed without making any mistake, and it has a very huge storage capacity. Now let's look the 5 basic function of a computer. The 5 basic function of computer are: it receives the input from the user. The second function of a computer is that it, after receiving the input data, it processes it. It processes the given data Then the third function of a computer is it produces an output. And the fourth function is it stores the result. The last one is that it controls the above operation. So these are the 5 basic functions of a computer. That a computer receives the input from the user, then it processes the given data, then it produces an output, and it stores the result, and it controls the above operation. Now a computer comprises of 2 parts, hardware and a software. A hardware is the physical part of the computer system which can be seen or touched. On the basis of their work, these hardware devices are divided into 2 parts, and that are input and output. Input devices. An input device sends data to a computer for processing. Some of the input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner and microphone. Keyboard. Keyboard is the main input device of a computer system. It is used to enter data. A computer keyboard contains alphabet keys, that is A, B, C, D, numeric keys like 1, 2, 3, 4, function keys F1, F2, F3, F4 for performing special tasks, and other keys for editing like backspace key, delete key, etc. Now mouse. What is a mouse? A mouse is input device which is used to control the motion of the pointer on a screen. Joystick. A joystick is a cursor control device that is used to control the movement of the object on a screen. Scanner, you all have heard about scanner. A scanner is a device that is used to scan documents or images, and then they convert them to a digital format for further editing. Now, microphone. Microphone can be attached to a computer for recording sound. Now, output devices. What are output devices? Output devices are the devices that display output from a computer. Some of the important output devices are monitor, printer, speaker. Monitor is the main output device of a computer system. It displays the images, videos, text, etc. A monitor is also called visual display unit. Now, printer. What is a printer? A printer is an output device that takes data from the computer and generates output in the form of text, image on a paper. Speaker. Speaker is the most commonly used output device in a computer system. Speakers are attached to a computer for output of a sound, and speakers are used to play music, audio files and video files. Now, software. What is a software? Software is a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do, how to perform a task. There are two types of software: system software and application software. There are two types of software, remember these names. System software and application software. System software. System software is a type of software that is designed to run a computer's hardware and application program. Software system include such as operating system and language translator. Now, application software. Application software is the type of software that is used for performing some task requested by the user. The example of application software is word processor and word processor. So example of application software is word processor. And with this I will just end these classes, and I will give you assignment after this video that you will have to complete.